how to connect Clickup with Google Calendar. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to use our Clickup over here and connect our Google Calendar. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply click over here on the top right. You have a quick action menu. So click this and navigate to the App Center. Clicking on the App Center will show us this very quick pop-up over here, and you're simply going to search up over here Google Calendar. That will all gonna be appearing here if you have searched it before. So if you select Google Calendar, it will show us this one. So we could choose between a personal connection or a workspace connection with our Google Calendar. So the different features available for us is that we will be able to sync. We have two-way syncing with our Google Calendar. You will be able to sync your tasks to calendar. You are able to launch your meetings and real-time sync over here. There are commands available for us. So if you want to connect it, simply click on connect and you're going to be prompted to log into your Google account that you want to connect it to, of course. And after that, you will then be able to have Google Calendar on your ClickUp. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.